Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to my channel Current Affairs in Flux. Today we are going to learn about the books and authors which are recently released, and this is the part 2 of the series called Books and Authors. If you have not watched the Books and Authors part 1, I will leave the description. I will leave the link in the description. Please go and watch it. Okay, let's begin. A book on Operation Kukri, which is released by CDS General Rawat. And the author of this book are Major General Rajpal Punya and Miss Dhamini Punya. Here, Rajpal Punya and Dhamini Punya are the authors of the book called Operation Kukri. This book highlights the Indian Army's successful rescue mission in Sierra as part of the United Nations in the year 2000. Next one, a book on leopard titled Leopard Diaries: The Rosette in India by Sanjay Gubi, and this book is published by the Wasteland. Here, the Sanjay Gubi is a wildlife biologist, and he authored this book in which he says about the food habits, ecological context, and the conservation of the leopards. And as per the government report, if we see about the leopards, the Madhya Pradesh has the highest number of leopards. About 26% of the is estimated in the whole country. Next one, a book titled The Great Big Lion, which is written by the child prodigy Chryses Knight. This book is published by the Penguin Random House, India's Puffin imprint. And this book is a story about a lion and and the two children. It talks about the friendship, inclusivity, and the wildlife conservation, and the world of the imagination. Here, the child prodigy means a person under the age of 10 who produces meaningful output in the some domain to the level of an adult expert is known as child prodigy. Here, here the knight is a when he was 3 he started writing this book, and he was learned to how to read the book at the age of 1 itself, and he was encouraged by his parents, and he written the book called The Great Big Lion, which is published by the Penguin Random House, India's Puffin imprint. Next one, a book titled The Art of Conjuring Alternate Realities, which authored by Shivaram Shankar Singh and Anand Venkat Narayan, and this book is published by HarperCollins. If we talk about this book deals with the human history, societal control, which is determined by the various hierarchies like military, colonialism, mega corporations, etc. And this book widely talks about how information warfare is shaping your life and the world. Next one, Kareena Kapoor introduces her new book titled The Pregnancy Bible. Here, the Kareena Kapoor Khan, who is an actor of the Bollywood, has announced her new book called The Pregnancy Bible, and here the actor has also it called as the third child, where in this book she has shared her experiences while writing this book. Next book is a book titled The Year That Wasn't: The Diary of a 14-year-old by Brisha Jain. Here, the year that wasn't: The Diaries of a 14-year-old. This book is launched by the veteran actor Shebana Azmi, and which is penned by the Kolkata girl Brisha Jain. And this book the Brisha Jain is a 14-year-old girl, and who returns about the lockdown days which seen through her eyes during the COVID-19 pandemic in the last year. And the next one, the book titled of The Fourth Lion: Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi, which is written by Venmadhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. This book consists of 26 essays which is contributed by the individuals which are drawn from the various walks of life and from across the globe. Here, the Gopal Krishna Gandhi has been an administrator, diplomat, author, and the public intellectual of distinction for over 4 decades. Next one, a book titled Kashmiri Century: Portrait of a Society in Flux, which is authored by Kemlata Waklu. Here, the Kemlata Walklu is a writer, a political leader, and a social worker. And in this book, it is all based on the author's personal experience and her intimate understanding of what it means to be a Kashmiri native, speaking native. And she also covers the period from the 19th century to the present day in this book. Next one, a book titled Policymakers General from New Delhi to Washington DC by Kaushik Basu. And this book is going to be released soon. And in this book, the Kaushik Basu wrote about the careers over 7 years as he moved first in India as a chief economic advisor to the Indian government, and after then he has a chief economist at the World Bank in Washington. Next one, a book titled Fiercely Female, the Dyute Chand story by Sandeep Mishra, and this book was published by Westland Books. Here, Mishra is a journalist who wrote the book called Fiercely Female, the Dyuti Chand story. Here, in this book, it was the Sandeep Mishra is told about the detailed narrative of the gender identity controversy that made her an iconic figure in the Indian sport. Yeah, the Dyuti Chand is a first openly homosexual athlete from India who won the gold medal in the 100-meter event at the World Universal in Naples, and she has scripted this history in the year 2019. Next one, Ruskin Bond's book titled "It's a Wonderful Life" is launched. Yeah, "It's a Wonderful Life." It is launched by the Ruskin Bond, and this book was published by Aleph Book Company, where this book is written in a perceptive, uplifting, deeply moving, and in the non-fictional way. Here, the Ruskin Bond is a recipient of Padma Shri and the Padma Bhushan awards also. Next one, Harshvardhan unveils my joys and sorrows as a mother of special child, and the author of this book is Krishna Saxena. Here, the Union Minister Harshvardhan unveiled this book, and this book is a perfect example of the bravery and endurance of the mother in the best tradition of a Indian motherhood. And this book is full of beautiful photographs, including some black and white one also. Next one, SIPRI Yearbook 2021, China, India, Pakistan, expanding nuclear arsenal. Here, the full form of SIPRI is Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. And here the SIPRI has released the book called SIPRI Yearbook 2021. In this book, it says about the reports which are assess the country current states of armaments, disarmaments, and the international security. And the director of SIPRI is Dan Smith, which is headquartered at Oslo, Norway. And the SIPRI is founded in the year 1966. Next one, Home in the World. It is a book which is written by Amartya Sen's memoir. It is a Amartya Sen's memoir, and the book was published by Penguin Random House. Here the memoir remains a person who writes his own biography or else his own experiences in life, how he became now. It is known as memoir, and the Amartya Sen memoir is Home in the World. In this book, Amartya Sen shares how it was the Rabindranath Tagore who gave him his name called Amartya, and he also reminisces the conversation at Calcutta's famous coffee house and at a Cambridge. Next one, a book titled 1232 Kilometers, The Long Journey Home by Vinod Kapre, and this book is published by HarperCollins. Yeah, the Vinod Kapre is a filmmaker who wrote the book called 1232 Kilometers, and in this book he explains about the journey of the 7 migrant workers from Bihar who has to be journeyed back to their homes to their home in the on bicycle and reach their destination after 7 years. And he wrote this book about why the seven migrant workers have was get ready to reach their home on the bicycles, and what is the reason behind them to go to their homes behind of their police, by uh, expecting the police and the insults and battling with the hunger also. And this book is published by the Harper Collins. Next one, a book titled Savarkar, a contested legacy, 1924 to 1966, which is authored by Vikram Sampath. And this book is published by the Penguin Random House, India. Here the book, the Savarkar book this is the second edition of this book series. So, and the first volume of this book is Savarkar, Echoes from Forgotten Past, which is released in the year 2019, where he in this book he explained about the Savarkar's life from the 1883 to 1924 in the first book. And this is the second volume of this book, and where he explained from the Savarkar lives from 1924 to 1966 till his death. Next one, Ravi Shastri's debut book, titled Stargazing: The Players in My Life, which is co-authored by Ajay Menon, and this book is published by Harper Collins, India. Here, the Ravi Shastri is a all-rounder in cricket, commentator, and the coach, and he published his book called Stargazing: The Players in My Life. In this book, the Shastri has written about some 60 extraordinary talents he has met from across the world who have inspired him. Next one, Chetan Bhagat releases cover for his upcoming book 400 Days. The Chetan Bhagat has released his novel cover for his novel titled 400 Days, and this book is going to be released on October 8th, 2021. And this book is the third novel in the series called Keshav Saurabh series. Next one. Next one, the book title The Three Khans and the Emergence of New India, which is authored by Kaveri Bamzai. Here, the Kaveri Bamzai is a senior journalist who wrote this book called The Three Khans. In this book, she compared the careers of the three Khans. They are Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and the Salman Khan. Next one, Rajnath Singh launches a book titled Shining Sikh Youth of India, which is authored by Dr. Prablin Singh. Here, the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has launched this book on the commemoration of the 400th birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur, who is the 9th Guru of the Sikhs, and the book called Shining Sikh Youth of India. Next one, Jhumpa Lahari to launch her new book called Translating Myself and Others, and the book will be published by Princeton University Press. Here, the Jhumpa Lahari is a Pulitzer Prize winner and a fiction writer, and she wrote this book called Translating Myself and Others. In this book, she highlights her work as a translator, and it will be a collection of essays that which reflects the Lahari's experience on the meaning of translation and translation her own writings across the languages. Next one, a book titled Human Rights and Terrorism in India, which is authored by Subramania Swamy. Here, the Subramania Swamy is a BJP MP who write this book, and in this book he traces how the combating of terrorism can be harmonized with human and the fundamental rights. Next one, Mohanlal Khattar releases book titled Haryana Environment and Pollution Code by Srimati Dheera Khandelwal. It is authored by the Srimati Dheera Khandelwal. Here, Mohanlal Khattar is a Chief Minister of Haryana, and he released a book called Haryana Environment and Pollution Code. And here, Dheera Khandelwal is a former IAS officer and a famous poet, and this book will provide the useful information to the entrepreneurs who have lack of complete knowledge of laws and regulation related to the environment for setting up the new ventures. Next one, a book, Bullets Over Bombay, Satya and the Hindi Film Gangster, which is authored by the Uday Bhatia. Here the Uday Bhatia is a film critic, which means who analyze the films and they analyze this and evaluate a film, and he wrote this book called Bullets Over Bombay. And this book deals with the evidences from the Ram Gopal Varma, and Anurag Kashyap, Manoj Bajpayee, and the Vishal Bharadwaj. These are the this book deals with the testimonies of these people. And Uday Bhatia is previously worked with the Time Out Delhi and the Sunday Guardian. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.